Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without a computer and without revokes? In this video, I'll show you a working method using the latest version of AIN. It's fast, safe, and doesn't need a PC. Let's get started. First, open the website w's.xyz. You'll find a full guide there and a link to their Discord server. Before installing anything, download the anti-revoke profile. Tap the download button, choose a config profile, then tap allow. Now go to settings, a profile downloaded, and install it. Once that's done, go back to the website and open the portal section. Choose a certificate from the list. If installation fails, try a different one. If you get an untrusted developer, warning, go to settings, general VPN and device management, and trust the profile. Restart your device after this step. Now open the portal app. Tap Continue with Portal by WSF Team. From here, you can install IPA tools like AIN or Feather, or even sign your own IPA files. Let's install AIN. Go to the Download section, tap the AIN icon, select a certificate, and tap Install. AIN will now appear on your home screen. Next, import your certificate into AIN. Go back to the Portal app, download a certificate, and save it to the Files app. Open AIN, tap the three dots, tap Import. Select the certificate zip file, and tap Unzip and Import. Use the password shown in the notes if needed. Now you're ready to install IPA files. Save the IPA file to your Files app. In AIN, go to the Apps tab, tap the app icon, choose Signature, then tap Install. The app will now appear on your home screen. That's it. You've installed IPA files with no PC, no jailbreak, and no revokes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.